Okay.
It's still moving pretty good.
Now Jameson's going to try and catch the Rocco by hand.
I ain't gonna hurt you.
Or Preston might.
Jameson, don't move, man.
There's a Rocco.
Then get him.
Oh,
He's hiding.
I could have had him.
Come on, Preston.
That's still.
Preston, get right by the eye. Right by the eye. Ain't no poking. Yeah, ain't no poking up here.
Oh!
Here comes the right. Jameson, right in front of you underneath the rock. Over your left hand. Oh, you get out the middle.
Dude, there's one like there's one right here.
Yeah, get those rocks out of there. Move them back.
Alright, there's a better view of him.
Oh, he's right there. He's right there. Oh, there's one. Oh.
Got him?
Yeah.
Preston, move so I can see it.
Oh my god, there's a freaking another Rocco right next to me.
Pull him up.
Gotta grab him good.
Let's see if he got him. No, he got one of the Roccos.
That other Rocco's like attacking me.
Let's see if you can get the other one.
Preston, you try. There you go.
That's two Roccos. Is there a third one? Is there a third one? Let's see who gets it.
Oh, there's one way in here.
Did you get him?
Oh my god, that's a sucker.
Oh, there's one more sucker. Let's see if we can get him.
Really a sucker? Yeah. A big one? Yeah, it's pretty nice.
So you got out?
No. You see him?
Get him.
Stick. He's like a stick. It's a sucker. Push him out like this. Whoa. Here it comes. That's too silly. No more. Look. There's a Rocco.
You gonna get him or not? Will he get the sucker? No one knows. Got him? Got him?
It's like biting a stick.
Is it a sucker or a Rocco?
There's a sucker in. Oh, there's an
Glad I got that on camera.
No!
Did you get him?
I had him out of the water. Sucker!
Oh, I got a sucker. Oh, no. He had a sucker.
This is the Rocco. There's another. He went underneath. Hey, look. There's a big old Rocco. Oh, the Roccos go underneath that. Yeah, I know. There's a bunch in here. That one.
Get him up.
Big one, too. He's stuck over there. Oh, there's that bluegill. Oh my god, there's like a million under here. Oh, he escaped. Ow!
Okay, so with that, I'm going to end off this video. Is there anything you two would like to say before I end it off?
We're gonna go.
You don't want me to end it yet?
No.
You gonna fall in the water first?
No. Hold on, wait. Let me catch this sucker too.
Hurry up, I'm already at 5 minutes.
Oh!
Anything you want to say, Preston?